We did this amazing Christmas party. We pulled out all the stops for this particular client. It was just an amazing feat done by our special effects department, creating some bell tower magic. We actually trucked in snow by the ton. We had it brought in to our water wall area, and we placed 20 Christmas trees and hung these cafe lights above the snow and Christmas trees and made it feel all Christmassy and winter wonderlandy. We brought in on all the corners, we made it snow like a blizzard. So we had snow machines on the rooftops and snow machines in all of the corners to make it really feel like some authentic snow coming in. So that was an amazing winter wonderland effect that we created. Also, Santa loaned us some of his reindeer and some of his Santa helpers. We set up some large scale ornaments to serve, like the ornaments were like these big lighted ornament rings that we used to create like this walkway portal that everyone, when they arrived, they walked past the reindeer. We had a little carved ice sculpture and some peppermint sticks. And did I mention we created like this pepperminty milkshake that we were serving with maybe a little eggnog in it as we were passing to the guests. One cool thing we did was we used projection mapping to make it snow indoors. So that was kind of a cool effect. And we even had the mailbox where guests could mail their letters to Santa. That was the North Pole mailbox that we had. Looking out into our water wall area and our water wall courtyard, you could see Santa Claus waving back at you. We brought in life-sized robotic nutcrackers inside the event, around where the guests were. We even convinced Santa to loan us his red sleigh for the party, which was, so good. It was just a really good production by our team, and everyone had a jolly great time for the Christmas party. Merry Christmas, everyone!